VidhyutYash. Cook with VidhyutYash. We can see egg omelette noodles. Let's see the 3 steps for this recipe. Number 1, prepare the egg mix and make it as an omelette. Step 2, slice the omelette like noodle. Step 3, mix noodles with onion tomato masala. My recipe is ready. Let's see the ingredients. Egg, oil, coriander leaves, onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, pepper. Take a whisk and mix it everything. 3 eggs, salt, pepper and turmeric powder each, ½ teaspoon. Take a frying pan. Switch on the switch and press this button. Once the pan is ready, pour oil. 2 off. Once the pan is ready, pour the egg. Close, let it cook. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and turn it. It's cooked. Let's take it. Don't have your mommy or daddy. My mom is there. Your mom is there. Now let's roll the egg. Now let's cut it like a line. Take a knife and cut it. Cut into small pieces. Switch on and press this button and pour the oil. 2 teaspoons oil. Add some onion. 1 cup of chopped onion. Once onions is cooked, put ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon. Add salt and pepper and turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon each, and mix it well. Once the onion turns golden brown, add tomato. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Now let it close the lid and let it cook 2-3 minutes. Bye. powder and garam masala little bit. It's optional. Let's see where this cooked. Wow. Now add the egg noodles, my favorite. Gently mix it. Switch off the button and the switch. Now let's put it. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Egg omelette noodles ready. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Try this recipe. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye, fans.